So let's say you have a Google Sheet and you have tabs that you're wanting to link to student names. For example, I've got one here that is Bozzy and it's linked directly to the page for the student named last name Bozzy. So you have the links going two ways, one where you get to this tab and then one also that you can access to go back to your main page. So I did an example here and we've got Thompson. You see I wrote the tab at the bottom for Thompson. I've got Thompson here. How do I do that link? You just right click it, insert link, and instead of choosing a hyperlink at the top, go to Sheets and Named Ranges. Then you're going to just choose from the list of sheets that you have. Now you've got that sheet linked. As you can see, it took you straight to that page. Let's say you want to have an easy way back home. You can do the same thing. Right click, insert link, and then choose what you want your home page to be from that bottom section, Sheets and Named Ranges. Now you've got a two-way street to navigate inside of your Excel document. This is in Google Sheets, but this also works in your Excel as well.